Listen and practice speaking skills. Hey Mark. How's it going?
Hi, Amy. Not bad, thanks. Just catching up on some emails. What about you?
Same here, trying to stay on top of things. Did you see the memo about the upcoming meeting?
Yes, I did. It's scheduled for next Monday, right?
Exactly. Are you ready for it?
I think so. I've prepared the presentation, but I still need to go over some details.
Need any help with that?
Actually, yes. Could you take a look at these slides? I want to make sure they're clear enough.
Of course, happy to help. Let's see. Maybe we could add some bullet points here to summarize the key points.
Good idea. And perhaps we should include some visuals to make it more engaging.
Agreed. How about graphs to illustrate the data?
Perfect. That will definitely make it easier for everyone to understand. Thanks, Amy.
No problem, Mark. Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Absolutely. We make a great team.
Mark, did you hear about the new coffee machine they're installing in the break room?
Yeah, I heard about it. About time too, the old one was on its last legs.
Totally. Hopefully, it makes better coffee too. I can't start my day without a good cup of coffee.
Me neither. Maybe we should have a coffee tasting session once it's up and running.
That sounds like a great idea. We could even invite the whole team and make it a fun event.
I'm in. Let's make it happen.
You know, Mark, I was thinking about the last team building event we had. The scavenger hunt was so much fun.
Oh yeah, I remember that. It was a blast trying to solve all those riddles and clues.
Definitely. It really helped strengthen our team spirit and communication skills.
It did. We should suggest another one to the boss. Maybe something outdoors this time.
Great idea. I'll draft up a proposal and run it by everyone.
Count me in for support. I'm sure the team will love the idea.
Awesome. Together, we'll make it happen.
Good morning, John. How are you today?
Good morning, Mary. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm good too, thank you. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
Absolutely. By the way, I saw you gardening yesterday. Your garden looks lovely.
Thank you, Mary. Gardening is one of my hobbies. It's relaxing and rewarding.
I can see that. Your roses are beautiful. Do you have any tips for a beginner like me?
Of course, I'd be happy to share some tips. First, it's important to know your soil. Different plants thrive in different types of soil.
That's a great tip. I'll definitely keep that in mind. What else?
Watering is also crucial. But remember, overwatering is just as harmful as underwatering.
I see. Anything else?
Yes, one more thing. Patience is key in gardening. Plants need time to grow.
Thank you for the tips, John. I'll try to apply them in my garden.
You're welcome, Mary. I'm sure your garden will be beautiful.
I hope so. By the way, are you free this weekend? We're having a small get-together at our house.
That sounds lovely. Yes, I'm free this weekend. Thank you for the invitation.
You're welcome. We're looking forward to seeing you.
I'm looking forward to it too. See you then, Mary.
See you then, John. Have a great day.
You too, Mary. Have a great day.
Oh, before you go, I wanted to ask you something.
Sure, what is it?
I've been thinking about getting a pet. Do you have any advice?
Well, having a pet is a big responsibility. You need to make sure you have enough time and resources to take care of it.
That's true. I'll think about it. Thanks for the advice, John.
You're welcome, Mary. If you need any more advice, feel free to ask.
I will. Thanks, John. See you later.
See you later, Mary. Have a great day.
Hey there. How's it going?
Oh, hi. Not bad, thanks. Just finished some house chores. How about you?
Same here. You know, the usual routine, dishes, laundry, the whole deal.
Tell me about it. It never ends, does it?
Nope, it's a never-ending cycle. By the way, have you tried that new recipe I told you about?
The one with the avocado? Not yet. I keep forgetting to buy avocados.
Well, when you do, give it a shot. It's simple and delicious.
I will, for sure. By the way, did you catch the latest episode of that new TV show?
Unfortunately, no. I've been swamped with work lately. How was it?
Oh, it was fantastic. You should definitely check it out when you get the chance. So, what's new with work?
Just the usual grind. Meetings, deadlines, the whole 9 yards. I wish there were more hours in a day.
I hear you. Sometimes, I feel like I need a pause button just to catch my breath.
Wouldn't that be nice? Imagine having a pause button for life. Just take a break whenever you need it.
Speaking of breaks, have you thought about where to go for vacation this year?
Funny you ask. I was just browsing through some travel websites. I'm thinking of a beach destination. Somewhere with clear blue water.
That sounds amazing. I could use some sunshine and relaxation. Any specific place in mind?
Not yet, still exploring options. Maybe you can join me. It's always more fun with company.
I'd love to. Let me know once you decide, and we can plan something together.
Absolutely. It would be a great getaway. By the way, did you hear about the new neighbor who moved in last week?
Oh, the one with the adorable dog? Yes, I met them briefly. Seems nice.
Yeah, they do. We should organize a welcome gathering or something. It's always good to have a sense of community.
That's a fantastic idea. We can plan a little potluck or a barbecue. What do you think?
Perfect. I'll talk to the others on the block, and we can make it happen. It's essential to build a friendly neighborhood.
Totally agree. It creates a sense of belonging. Hey, speaking of which, do you have a moment later? I wanted to discuss something about the neighborhood association.
Sure thing. I'm free after dinner. Swing by my place, and we can chat about it.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks. Alright, I should get going. Got a few more errands to run before the day ends.
No problem. Take care, and see you later.
You too. Bye for now.